Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will explore the top 5 use cases for Kafka. Kafka is becoming increasingly important in many organizations and is widely utilized. In this video, I will show you some important use cases where Apache Kafka can be applied. As depicted in the graph, there are several important use cases such as data streaming, log activity tracking, message queuing, change data capture, and data replication. For instance, X, Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix utilize data streaming for various purposes, including data analytics, user behavior analysis, real-time website interactions, and application performance matrices to, to drive data-driven decision and enhance user experience. On the other hand, in log activity tracking, companies leverage Kafka to gather and centralize logs and events generated by web servers, applications, and microservices for monitoring, troubleshooting, and performance optimization. For instance, LinkedIn employs Kafka for monitoring user interaction system matrices and applications log. In message queuing, e-commerce platform utilize Kafka as message queue for order processing, inventory management, and coordinating fulfillment operations across distributed systems. Moreover, Kafka finds significant use in change data capture, where enterprises replicate data between databases in real time. For example, a retail chain might use Kafka to replicate transactions data from point of sale system to central data warehouse for analytics and reporting. Regarding data replication, companies rely on Kafka for replicating data between data centers or cloud regions for disaster recovery and high availability. For instance, a financial institution might use Kafka to replicate transactions data and customer information between geographical dispersed data centers to ensure business continuity in the event of failures or disaster. These are the top 5 use cases I have highlighted to provide a comprehensive understanding of the scenarios where Apache Kafka can be effectively utilized. Thank you and see you in the next video.